Welcome to Sandhya Lessons. Class 4 Maths Semester 2 Workbook Chapter 6 Division. In this video, let us complete all the worksheets and assessment from this chapter. For more workbook videos, subscribe Sandhya Lessons. Worksheet 1. First Roman, write the division facts and multiplication facts for the following. A problem. 45 divided by 5 is equals to 9. Multiplication facts and division facts are into 9 is equal to 45. 45 divided by 9 is equals to 5. B. 64 divided by 8 is equal to 8. 8 into 8 is equal to 64. 64 divided by 8 is equals to 8. C. 77 divided by 7 is equals to 11. 11 into 7 is equals to 77. 77 divided by 11 is equals to 7. D. Problem. 75 divided by 5 is equals to 15. Multiplication fact and division facts are 15 into 5 is equals to 75. 75 divided by 15 is equals to 5. H. Problem. Number of 8s in 72 are, to get the answer we have to divide 72 with 8. 72 divided by 8 is equals to 9. So there are 9 8s in 72. I blank. Number of 9s in 117 are, 117 divided by 9 is equals to 13. So there are 13 9s in 117. J blank. Number of 5s in 125 are, to get the answer we have to divide 125 with 5. So 125 divided by 5 is equals to 25. So there are 25 5s in 125. Worksheet 2. First Roman, do the following. A problem. 612 divided by 3. By dividing 612 with 3, we get quotient 204 and remainder 0. B. Division. 484 divided by 4. By dividing 484 with 4, we get quotient is equals to 121 and remainder is equals to 0. C. Division. 845 divided by 5. By dividing 845 with 5, we get quotient 169 and remainder 0. D. Division. 480 divided by 6. By dividing 480 with 6, we get quotient is equals to 80 and remainder is equals to 0. E. Division. 994 divided by 7. By dividing 994 with 7, we get quotient is equals to 142 and remainder is equals to 0. F. Division. 960 divided by 8. By dividing 960 with 8, we get quotient is equals to 120 and remainder is equals to 0. G. Division. 624 divided by 8. By dividing 624 with 8, we get quotient 78 and remainder 0. H. Division. 871 divided by 9. By dividing 871 with 9, we get quotient 96 and remainder 7. I. Division. 147 divided by 2. By dividing 147 with 2, we get quotient 73 and remainder 1. Worksheet 3. First problem. Archana packed 112 dhoop sticks equally in 8 boxes. How many dhoop sticks did each box hold? A question. What information is given in the problem? Number of dhoop sticks packed equally in 8 boxes. B question. What is to be found? Dhoop sticks holded by each box. C question. Which process do you follow to solve the problem? Division. Second problem was also the same problem. A question. How many dhoop sticks are there? 112. B question. How many boxes are there? 8. C question. How many dhoop sticks did each box hold? To get the answer, we have to divide 112 with 8. By dividing, we get 14. So, number of dhoop sticks holded by each box is equals to 14. Third problem was the same problem. Solution. Number of dhoop sticks is equals to 112. Number of boxes is equals to 8. Number of dhoop sticks did each box hold? We can get this by dividing 112 with 8. After dividing, we get 14. Number of dhoop sticks did each box hold is equals to 14. Fourth problem was also the same problem. Solution. Number of dhoop sticks is equals to 112. Number of boxes is equals to 8. Number of dhoop sticks did each box hold is equals to 112 divided by 8. That is equals to 14. Fifth problem was also the same problem. Solution. Number of dhoop sticks is equals to 112. Number of boxes is equals to 8. Number of dhoop sticks did each box hold is equals to 112 divided by 8. That is equals to 14. Worksheet 4. First Roman. Divide the following numbers by 10 and write the quotient and remainder. A problem. 687. By dividing 687 with 10, we get quotient as 68 and remainder 7. B division. 398. By dividing 398 with 10, we get quotient as 39 and remainder is equals to 8. C division. 289. By dividing 289 with 10, we get quotient is equals to 28 and remainder is equals to 9. D division. 169 divided by 10. By dividing 169 with 10, we get quotient is equals to 16 and remainder is equals to 9. What is your observation about the quotient and remainder? When we divide a 3-digit number by 10, the remainder is always the digit in ones place of the given number and the quotient is the number formed by the remaining digits. Second Roman. Write the quotient and remainder without performing the division. A division. 197 divided by 10. When we divide 197 with 10, we get quotient 19 and remainder 7. B division. 200 divided by 10. By dividing 200 with 10, we get quotient 20 and remainder 0. Third Roman. Divide the following numbers by 100 and write the quotient and remainder. A problem. 196. When we divide 196 with 100, we get quotient is equals to 1 and remainder is equals to 96. B problem. When we divide 217 with 100, we get quotient is equals to 2 and remainder is equals to 17. What is your observation about quotient and remainder? When we divide a 3-digit number by 100, the quotient is the digit in the hundreds and the remainder is the number formed by the digits in tens and ones place of the given number taken in the same order. Fourth Roman. Write the quotient and remainder without performing the division. A problem. If we divide 190 with 100, we get quotient 1 and remainder 90. B division. 694 divided by 100. When we divide 694 with 100, we get quotient is equals to 6 and remainder is equals to 94. Worksheet 5. First Roman. Frame word problems for each of the following divisions from your daily life. A problem. 285 divided by 3. Word problem for this given division is Lata had 285 chocolates with her. She had to distribute them equally to her 3 children. Then how many chocolates does each one get? B division. 625 divided by 5. Word problem for this division is Ramaya arranged 625 apples equally in 5 boxes. How many apples does each box hold? C division 716 divided by 2. Word problem for this division is 716 chairs were distributed equally in 2 rooms. How many chairs will be there in each room? Second Roman, do the following divisions and check your answer. A division 698 divided by 9. By dividing 698 with 9 we get quotient is equals to 77 and remainder is equals to 5. To check a division whether it is correct or not, we can use the formula dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. By applying this formula, we have to get the dividend by multiplying divisor with quotient and adding remainder. By applying the formula, 9 into 77 plus 5 is equals to 698, which is equals to the dividend. So, the division is correct. B division 896 divided by 7. By dividing 896 with 7 we get 128 as quotient and remainder is equals to 0. By checking the division, dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. By multiplying 7 with 128 and adding remainder 0 we get 896. 896 is the dividend. So the division is correct. C division 725 divided by 8. By dividing 725 with 8, we get quotient is equals to 90 and remainder is equals to 5. By checking the division, dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. By applying the formula, 8 into 90 plus 5 is equals to 725, which is the dividend. So, the division is correct. D division 513 divided by 6. By dividing 513 with 6, we get quotient as 85 and remainder 3. By checking, dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. By applying the formula, 6 into 85 plus 3 is equals to 513, which is equals to dividend. So, the division is correct. E division 371 divided by 9. By dividing 371 with 9, we get quotient 41 and remainder 2. By checking, dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. By applying the formula, we get 9 into 41 plus 2 is equals to 371, which is the dividend. So, the division is correct. F division 526 divided by 3. By dividing 526 with 3, we get quotient is equals to 175 and remainder 1. By checking, dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. By applying the formula, 3 into 175 plus 1 is equals to 526, which is the dividend. So, the division is correct. Worksheet 6. First problem. Meena packed 408 candles to sell in the market. She put the 12 candles in each packet. How many packets are there? Solution. Number of candles is equals to 408. Number of candles in each packet is equals to 12. Therefore, number of packets, we can get the number of packets by dividing 408 with 12. That is, 408 divided by 12 is equals to 34. Therefore, number of packets is equals to 34. Second problem. 864 passengers can travel in a train within 12 compartments equally. How many passengers are there in each compartment? Solution. Number of passengers is equals to 864. Number of compartments is equals to 12. Number of passengers in each compartment. We can get this by dividing number of passengers with number of compartments. That is 864 divided by 12. That is equals to 72. Number of passengers in each compartment is equals to 72. Third problem. On an Independence Day, 392 students are standing in the playground. They are standing in 14 equal rows. How many students are there in each row? Solution. Number of students is equals to 392. Number of rows is equals to 14. Number of students in each row. We can get this by dividing number of students with number of rows. That is 392 divided by 14. That is equals to 28. Therefore, number of students in each row is equals to 28. Fourth problem. 192 books are equally arranged in 12 racks in a library. How many books are there in each rack? Solution. Number of books is equals to 192. Number of racks is equals to 12. Number of books in each rack. We can get this by dividing number of books with number of racks. That is 192 divided by 12. That is equals to 16. Therefore, number of books in each rack is equals to 16. Worksheet 7. First Roman. Do this division and write the missing numbers in the box. By doing the division, A division is 819 divided by 9. By dividing 819 with 9, we get 91 as quotient and remainder 0. B division 725 divided by 7. By dividing 725 with 7, we get quotient 103 and remainder as 4. C division 987 divided by 8. By dividing 987 with 8, we get 123 as quotient and 3 as remainder. D division 969 divided by 6. By dividing 969 with 6, we get 161 as quotient and 3 as remainder. E division 984 divided by 32. By dividing 984 with 32, we get 30 as quotient and 24 as remainder. F division 549 divided by 75. By dividing 549 with 75, we get 7 as quotient and 24 as remainder. Second problem. When I did the problem in the following way. By dividing 918 with 9, when I got quotient 12 and remainder 0. Is it correct? If not, do it in a proper way. No, it is not correct. When we divide 918 with 9, we get quotient as 102 and remainder 0. Worksheet 8. First Roman, simplify the following. While simplifying the given problem, we should follow the order. First, we should complete division and then multiplication and then addition, and finally, we should complete the subtraction in the given problem. By following this order, we can solve the given problems. First problem, 12 plus 4 minus 8 divided by 2 into 3. By solving the given problem, we get 4. Second problem, 37 minus 6 into 4 plus 32 divided by 8. By simplifying the given problem, we get 9. Third problem, 35 plus 28 divided by 2 plus 6 into 9. By simplifying the problem, we get 103. Fourth problem, 125 plus 625 divided by 25 into 15 minus 250. By simplifying the given problem, we get 250. Fifth problem, 256 plus 144 divided by 12 into 9 minus 108. By simplifying, we get 256. Self-assessment. First problem, Ramani wants to split a collection of crayons into groups of 14. Ramani has 518 crayons. How many groups will be created? Solution. Number of crayons is equals to 518. Number of crayons in each group is equals to 14. Number of groups. We can get number of groups by dividing number of crayons with number of crayons in each group. That is 518 divided by 14. After dividing we get 37. Therefore number of groups is equals to 37. Second problem. There are 37 students in a class and 777 playing blocks. If the blocks are divided equally among the students, how many will each student get? Solution. Number of students in the class is equals to 37. Number of playing blocks is equals to 777. Number of blocks each student get. We can get this by dividing number of playing blocks with number of students. That is equals to 777 divided by 37. That is equals to 21. Therefore, number of blocks each student get is equals to 21. Third problem. If 950 kilograms of rice is packed in 95 bags, how much rice will each bag contain? Solution. Total weight of rice is equals to 950 kilograms. Number of bags is equals to 95. Weight of rice in each bag. We can get this by dividing total weight of rice with the number of bags. That is 950 kilograms divided by 95. That is equals to 10 kilograms. Weight of rice in each bag is equals to 10 kilograms. Fourth problem. A bus can hold 48 seats. If there are 12 rows of seats equally in the bus, how many seats are in each row? Solution. Number of seats is equals to 48. Number of rows is equals to 12. Number of seats in each row. We can get this by dividing number of seats with number of rows. That is 48 divided by 12. That is equals to 4. Number of seats in each row is equals to 4. Fifth problem. If you counted 120 hands in your class, then how many students are present in the class? Solution. Number of hands counted is equals to 120. Number of hands each one have is equals to 2. Number of students in the class. We can get this by dividing number of hands counted with number of hands each one have. That is 120 divided by 2. That is equals to 60. Number of students in the class is equals to 60. Sixth problem. Jyoti wrote out her composition in 976 words. On an average, each line contained 16 words. How many lines did Jyoti write? Solution. Number of words is equals to 976. Number of words contained in each line is equals to 16. Number of lines. We can get this by dividing number of words with number of words contained in each line. That is 976 divided by 16. That is equals to 61. Therefore, number of lines is equals to 61. Seventh problem. 880 tiles were purchased to cover the floor of each classroom of a school. If each room requires 84 tiles, how many classrooms could be tiled? How many tiles were left over? Solution. Number of tiles purchased is equals to 880. Number of tiles required for each room is equals to 84. Number of classrooms that can be tiled. We can get this by dividing number of tiles with the number of tiles required for each room. That is 880 divided by 84. By dividing we get 10. Number of classrooms that can be tiled is equals to 10. Therefore, number of tiles required for 10 classrooms. We can get this by multiplying number of tiles required for each room with 10. That is 84 into 10 equals to 840. Number of tiles required for 10 classrooms is equals to 840. Number of tiles left over, that is equals to 880 minus 840, that is equals to 40. Number of tiles left over is equals to 40. Eighth problem. 600 apples are equal to how many dozens? Solution. Number of apples is equals to 600. Number of apples for 1 dozen is equals to 12. Number of dozens We can get this by dividing number of apples with number of apples for 1 dozen, that is 600 divided by 12, that is equals to 50. Number of dozens is equals to 50. Ninth problem. Guess the answers without performing the actual division. The given divisions are divisions with 10 and 100. When we divide a 3-digit number by 10, the remainder is always the digit in ones place of the given number and the quotient is the number formed by the remaining digits. A division 498 divided by 10. When we divide 498 by 10, we get quotient 49 and remainder 8. B division 789 divided by 10. When we divide 789 with 10, we get quotient is equals to 78 and remainder is equals to 9. When we divide a 3-digit number by 100, the quotient is the digit in the hundreds of the given number and the remainder is the number formed by the digits in tens and ones place of the given number taken in the same order. C division, when we divide 608 with 100, we get quotient is equal to 6 and remainder is equals to 8. D division 987 divided by 100. When we divide 987 with 100, we get quotient is equals to 9 and remainder is equals to 87. 10th Roman, do the following. A division 749 divided by 24. When we divide 749 with 24, we get 31 as quotient and remainder is equals to 5. B division 798 divided by 41. When we divide 798 with 41, we get 19 as quotient and 19 as remainder. Thank you for watching.